So we're in the morning, in the early hours of the morning. He is in a cell. The capitol-riots are kept at the DC jail in sort of a group away from the other prisoners. He's housed in a cell by himself. They all are. They're locked up 23 hours a day. It's the early morning hours. I think you lose track of a little bit of time when you're sitting, 23 hours and you don't have a book or anything else to do. But guards come in, correctional officers come in. They ask him to cuff up. One of the officers does. So he then, by that, it should be kind of obvious, but you take your hands and you put them behind your back. And so he does that. He complies with that. He is taken from his cell down the hallway to another unoccupied cell. When he is there, one of the officers proceeds to kick, punch, beat, and generally knock the stuffing out of my client. They beat, or I'm sorry, the correctional officer beat him so hard that I think he might have lost consciousness for a period of time. I believe he might have had a seizure while that happened. Ultimately, he ended up with a fractured orbital floor. So behind his eye, it's all fractured. He's got a fractured orbital bone. He has lost the vision in his right eye. That might be permanent. The person broke his nose and dislocated his jaw. So he had to have his jaw reset. So, he laid there, for a little bit, and then I guess was taken back to the cell, his normal cell. He didn't report anything initially, because imagine how terrifying if the people that's their job as a correctional officer is to protect you and to put you in a safe environment, keep you safe from other individuals, keep you safe, from yourself. You wouldn't have thought to be safe from correctional officers would have had to be one of those check marks you would have had to do. So anyway, he was really hurt. He is there for, I don't know, maybe a period of time, and then another shift comes on, and one of the correctional officers in the next shift sees him and sees that he's beaten to a pulp, and then he is taken to a hospital, and then he is treated for those injuries that I described.